Let me share with you how easy it is to design custom user interfaces using menu block, which along with the user input block, checkpoint block, generate asset block, you can design custom UIs so that your users get an end-to-end custom experience using either your branded color palette with logo or what have you. And then you can embed it into a website. So I will show you how this works and then show you how to embed this into a Webflow website. So here what we have is this menu block, and it has a custom user interface where right now it's set up because it's near the holidays. I was feeling in the festive spirit. It has a little game. And what inspired me about this is that I read today in an AI newsletter how YouTube is beginning to roll out and to certain customers to design games within YouTube. And we can do this already now in MindStudio. Let me show you how this works. Let me refresh this page. It allows you to play a Pac-Man style video game. If you lose, which I do more often than not, it generates for you a How the Grinch Stole Christmas style short story. Then likewise, if you win, it generates a different story based on winning. And then it displays either one in a generate asset block. So you can design custom user interfaces like this very easily, have bespoke applications that your users can use. Now let me show you how easy it is to embed this to a Webflow website. When I click on the name of the agent here, and then if I go to embedding, normally this would be set to enable guest access. And so once I click on this, I get this iframe code. I copy this to my clipboard. And now we'll go to a different web page that I have ready to go in Webflow, where I'm going to embed this. And now I will click on this plus sign, add elements, do a search for code, in this case code embed, and then paste that embedding code into it. I'm going to adjust this width and height slightly. Click Save and Close. And then I'm going to perhaps center this. So now I can do a couple things. One is I could preview this, or I can publish this, and then it would be live. So it is that easy to embed a MindStudio agent into Webflow. I have documentation published into our documentation. I will share a link to that documentation in the comments when I post this to my LinkedIn post. And then I will also share a remix link to this agent if you're feeling in the festive holiday spirit, where you can, the ghosts are the Grinch and you play Santa Claus and go through a Pac-Man style game just to see how a menu block can be designed for unique user experiences. So I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching and have happy holidays.